remember correctly. Okay, don't touch this guy. This guy can hurt you.
Oh.
A doctor fish.
Alright.
Yeah. So these little spikes back here. See those two plates on the back?
Yeah.
You go to the doctor, they prick you. They are. I mean, you can handle them like this with a towel. I try not to go much closer to that with them.
Yeah, look at the catch.
There you go. Taking pictures, man. That's how we roll. Big barracuda.
Are they still with you?
There you go. That way the sun was out of your life.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage. Yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, so today we have a special episode.
Yeah, fishing.
We are go on the
Starlight.
on the Starlight today. I know you don't know, so we're there with them.
Yeah.
Don't know. Yeah. Ready? Come on, look ready, man. Come on, look ready, man. Where you say Starlight?
Yeah, Starlight it is, man.
Yeah, so we are do something different. And you know, say we have a car now, a flashback story. You know, say honestly, that video if you do
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago
Yeah.
or 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago, we go 3 different times. We go 3 different times. The first time we go with late. Alright. Second time we go. The first time we go. We miss it by 1 minute, but them done gone already. Second time we just late again. The third time we forward. We are
Boat full.
the boat full reach 20 minutes early, because them like sometimes them just have 2 times a day with them do where you can just, you see me, go on that there and fish. So just check in and see where I go on there, and show where I go on the Starlight boat and do some fishing, because them have their owner. How it go? Cause you it's not the damn first time now. How it go? Where they on the boat?
They're not really on the boat, like they provide rod and bait and everything for you. They carry it like 2 miles out at sea. When you fish for like 4 or 5 hours, then they come in back. Yeah.
Yeah, but then get your own rod though.
Yeah, they rod pan
And bait and everything.
Yeah, and they like take off the fish. They like assist with everything.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. We are sure this, because them all have the information and the time on it. Yeah, so right now we have basically an hour early, so we don't have no excuse this time, you know. So make it. I'll get the ticket them and things. So yeah man, stay tuned for the mad adventure. I'm not talking no more. Yeah. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until we go up on the boat. We're out. Good picture.
Thank you so much. This is your first time, so at least let's have a picture, okay?
Oh, what's your man?
Come on, stand up. That's some picture.
Yeah, you got this one. That's a nice dog.
Go on and get a bit more.
Yeah. You got this one. No, mine wouldn't be that. Yeah. Well, let's see if you can smash. Okay, so you're gonna take your fingers. I didn't want to miss out on today.
Mike, you need it? What? Need it? I got one.
Bana bakın bakayım. Ayak dön bana doğru. Aksel sen de dön. İyi tamam hadi dönme tamam. Nerede gözlüğün? Tamam. Tamam dur. Dur sen öyle. Aksel bana bak. Ben de 10 saniye bakacağım. Çok güzel bak. Aksel, bak balığı alacaksınız böyle tamam mı? Evet.
See information there, people. See. Yeah. Done what you say already? Yeah. Hold on. The slippers thing I can work? Yeah, man. The information there, people. Half day fishing, 8:30 a.m., 1:30, 7 p.m. Them do private charter. Yeah, everything. Yeah, I got fun it soon, man. We're just out here, you know? Yeah, man, we're out here, so this is where I go. Damn, what you try to do? Yo, how are this right there, so? Aqua Life Divers. Then go diving right there, so man. Wow. We have some nice boats over here, so. Yeah. Oh, them line cross. Mad thing, man. Man, the starlight took on. Yeah, man. Where's that man? Where you think? Where you see right there, sir?
On tarpan.
This one tarpan?
See bro. Masuk nak hotel buat. Itu sah. Can't.
When I try, it was a biscuit rotted. Yo. But yeah, Leverage Nation, just check in and see what's going on. What?
See a big. Oh, that one big.
How was that?
Tarpan.
A tarpan that? Yo. Alright, so we have some bait. We not see it. Water high, man.
Small on it. We're not to like 4 years, so look. One day. Oh, look, now I'm glad. See? Oh, yeah. Then the beside the boat of a nice shade.
Dark on them in the water field. I wait for this kid now, boy.
Right?
Dark on the field. You see my sweat? Yeah. Yeah man, I feel, what you say? I feel I want that gonna be, the episode there, are gonna be a good one.
Yeah.
All if we not catch nothing.
All if we not catch nothing.
All if we not catch nothing, it's gonna be a good one, cause, yo, first time Leverage Nation, we have go. Well, damn, go on it already. But first time we have vlog on a boat, so you don't know anything, go. You know a Leverage, that one gonna be sick, epic, a very good one. So stay tuned, Leverage Nation. You know the thing, go. What we say? We have some crazy vlogs to come out for now. Crazy everything. You know a Leverage. Yo. Okay,
Side by
man,
mode.
catch.
You put the line and lead that in it, see me. You see it? Yeah. Yeah. Look.
Yeah, but yeah man, so today it's one of them day there man. One of them day there. No fishing allowed.
Oh, but see if you might get there. Alright,
Yeah?
you can't go there now.
Oh. So we are showing.
Come in now.
Yeah.
Come in.
Well on though. Which way you get them snacks then?
Yeah, you come on.
All this. Oh my God. What they use? Cash alone?
I'm not sure anything. I live in nation, so see. Oh. Alright, so we are going on the boat right now. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Now bring it on. Come on. You guys done with the hose? Why do you freaking leave it there?
Yeah, it's a leverage. Oh, this is inside. Yeah. Yeah, they use them bait there. Sometimes they use squid and them bait there too. Yeah, anytime the boat come and park, fish always get on that boat. So you can see, you can look at the snapper, ground, tarpon, enough different kind of fish. Different type of rods. Yeah. So like if you have a rod, yeah, you can get rod.
Leverage Nation, I don't know, so we're on the Starlight boat. I know, so today. Just get 3 liquor snacks, although we want more than that still, but they never have much. I liquor stall this up, so stay tuned and enjoy, you know, so we're down there. Yo, you don't know anything, man. Wanna go be epic. You showed them the place already? Yeah, so damn sure the place, so hopefully. I'm gonna show now go on. So check out, man, you know the Leverage. Yo, eat some food earlier, you know, but they are from sea water come like munchies. Dangerous right now. Come like a 20 of them, I should eat water come like from sea water, I start get hungry. And them I know them I go already. Go down.
No, man.
Them serve a purpose.
I know them I go.
Yeah. Go.
Let's show the other guy, right?
Just check in and see they are going now. There. Oh, front door. Yeah, man. So we still move off and thing. If that move off, we'll show you on top of that stuff. Them have another level, you know. Right, Joe, and so show them where you're going down. Yeah. That man, just there wait until the boat move off, you know? So we are showing
So yeah, we sell
everything, you know? Oh yeah. Show you the location. Let's find the location. Bro. The location where we go fish.
I'm not really sure.
You're not sure which pipe? We're not sure it, so we're gonna find out which and then show now I go on. That's it. That's the leverage.
Alright.
That's right. Move off right now, watch.
On the top one. See? See big? Look at it.
Yeah. Camera ever jump. Everything she thinks that I jump off it. I forgot miss the leverage boss there a couple weeks.
I always run out of the airport.
Every file and everything gone. Yeah, out in the water, you know.
It's brutal. All of it. That's good. That lose power, you're from the start. Yeah.
Yeah, man. How we are go? So where I go? Oh, sorry.
So there's no balance side there.
Oh, you know. Excuse me, sorry. Better view, yeah?
Good. You get a better view of the whole place when you actually go.
Where you say dam?
Yeah. Come on. We're going.
We out, them must speed up.
You found a scuba diving boat.
Oh. Oh, that front. Sorry. What? Sorry. Go ahead, dude. Oh, no. Go to the end of it. Oh, go to the end of it.
Alright, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Starlight 101. I'm Captain Bill. You have Mike and Caden as your mates. If you guys need anything at all, hooks, bait, tackle, disconnect yourself from the bottom, disconnect yourself from each other, tangle.
Go ahead, dude.
Whatever you guys need there to go to. When you get an eligible fish, they're going to mark that fish. Remember that mark is that you need to use it to get your fish back at the end of the trip. If you forget your mark's going to keep your fish.
Last time we come, them give we name.
Guys, I'm going to let you know when it's time to finish out the fish. Go ahead. And we'll get ready to move on. Yes,
Yeah.
And as always, our crew's going to wait.
Over this? No, never over this. So. I don't want to ask them, they might ask fish for right this copy. They might have it down there. So. Yeah. Right now, every nation, we're out here, man.
Yo, we're coming on fishing at the early one.
Yeah, fish right there, sir.
Come on.
Yeah, it's a every nation, but yeah, man. Yeah, go out there. See, you know? What the journey is. We are saying that we can't tell them that. Tell them we are expecting to do on that trip.
Yeah, expect to get some nice fish. Yeah, if we keep bring back home.
So,
One of the fish pool, 5 bucks, heaviest fish wins.
Yo, we are doing it.
what we are doing?
We are doing it with $5. Everybody on the boat, we do it. Then after that,
Anybody else for fish pool?
yeah. Mama, I think
Tell them there.
eh? So basically,
5 bucks, heaviest fish wins.
Oh, you do it now? Me pay
give
for
it in there, yeah, give them money. You do it for 2 tickets, brother.
Well, I got 20. There's 20. They get 3 tickets in the country.
You can't find the money.
Alright, look. Everybody were doing $5 yeah. Like everybody will bet who gets the heaviest fish. Yeah, like who gets the heaviest fish, let me get the money. Yeah.
All the rules are posted inside, okay? If you want to, the heaviest legal fish.
Yeah.
You got a fish. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So now each
So
pack.
say, if the rules, the guy said the rules them breeze. I don't want you breeze. Come closer. Yeah, so when I captain them, say, oh, the heaviest fish they catch bigger fish.
Them get you all that money. Yeah.
So, let's see. That's a leverage. You want to say leverage nation already? Yeah, man. Yeah, breeze. Yeah, leverage nation. So, we're out here. We are going to see. Damn, how much miles are we are go?
Not sure.
We're not sure. We're going to find out that, but yeah. Yeah? Oh, then see them have the rules. The cool fish. So we put in pots of me and dam. Put in it so you see rules and you can read and you can pause it and read it. You don't know. Oh, they mark the fish. Cool fish, them have snapper, grouper, king mackerel and all of them sitting there. Pool fish rules. Enter the pool. Pool fish specify must be included. Fish must be eligible by size. Fish must $5 a person. Yeah, man. So they're inside. And we are outside. Still a move up, you know? Yeah. But like I said, everybody outside. Alright, Leverage Nation, we feel them a slow down, so I guess this is one of the stop them. Soon arrive to one of the stop them. Yeah, feel it. A slow down, you know? Our spot right now. Yeah. Our spot there. We pick one spot. Yeah. My one this.
Nah, look at all the baits.
You guys are familiar with these? You guys got your own rods. Oh, even better. Love that. You guys familiar with these rods?
Yeah, it's all. Teach him what to use that one.
Oh, okay, good. So when you hook these baits, I mean, I'll bait you up too if you ever need it.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's faster to do it yourself, just so there's a lot of people in the boat. So go through the little plate there, out to the top of his head. Okay. Just like that. That's perfect. I'll wait till the captain says drop. That way I can start dropping it for you, and you see exactly what we need to do.
Okay.
Yeah, we were doing the pool.
Okay, so I'll give you a quick tutorial. Beaver, always keep your thumb on this.
Okay.
Just wait till the captain says drop. Yeah, I'm just giving him a lesson. So you just keep your thumb there. When you feel you hit bottom, you want to keep letting line out. You always want to let line out on this type drift fishing. We're always moving. To reel it in, you throw your lever back up. You try to level grind. So you see how sometimes it's a little high? So you want to try to keep that level, otherwise it'll it'll block here and it'll affect your reeling. But yeah, you just let it go, hold your thumb there. If you go too fast, this will happen. And you get backlash. If you get backlash, let me know, I'll fix it immediately, okay? It's easy to fix straight away. It's hard if, see how, real easy right now. But if you wait too long,
Wait too long, it'll tie up.
So you gotta get a little wider. Hook. Look at this. There's a hook in here for some reason. Catching the line.
Right, this up. Gosh.
That's why the line will stop in there. So it'll drop off. Just keep it a little tight. Because I know that happened, but it'll go away.
Okay.
As the line goes up. Let me get a fix for you before we get too carried away.
Yes, over there. Somebody what?
Yeah.
Somebody said they say a dolphin.
On a dolphin, I fish, a type of fish.
Oh. Yes, so Leverage Nation will move off again. Go to the second location, I guess. You catch bite?
Yeah?
You get bite?
Yeah, one or two. One never really have one cause chum fish, them are every time.
Okay. Catch up there first, but a whole heap of fish we see come forward up. We showed it earlier. So here man, we are going second stop. How much stop them have?
They don't really have a specific amount. Like if you're not catching up here, so they move for this. Yeah. So they lead. So if you come and catch a whole heap, they not move.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pay for 4 hours.
We gotta get 4 hours. I believe it told you how much?
I think I 4 hours.
130 to 7. Yeah.
I think I said to 5.
7 man. The 7:30.
5.
We got to there Sunday at 5. So they must stop back again so they can get ready to jump out the line.
So they must stop again. Over. Damn line there, mile around there. You have the layers there.
Don't we have one of these? Like the red one? Cooler? That you could drag?
So I'm unruly. I'll wait till the people are just mature long time.
Yo, give me this one.
See, beat them. Yeah, too much show about my baby. Let's go and take a snack break, you know?
Just grab enough pump. Tell me what.
Buy it, I guess so?
Don't worry. It's no big deal. A minute again.
Yeah, damn, get something.
When you bring back in, let me take one of the weights off. You got 2 weights on there, I think, on that rod, if I remember correctly. Okay, don't touch this guy. This guy can hurt you.
Oh.
Doctor fish. Yeah. So these little spikes back here, see those 2 plates on the back?
Yeah.
You go to the doctor if they prick you. They are, I mean, you can handle them like this with a towel. I try not to go much closer to that with them. I'm gonna use pliers just to be safe. But yeah, those stupid things right here. See the spikes?
Yeah. Spikes.
See, that's right there. They are no joke, those things.
Now we catch first one. How you feel about that?
Alright man, but we can't read them real man. The yellow tail are red.
Yeah. Yeah. You're good, man. It's a good size fish on the pop. Yes, sir. You know, everything. Out here.
Did I stop a while ago with the maternity son? This is the black.
Nice job, Joe.
Mr. Expert Fisherman, guys.
Oh, this are you, sir.
Real man.
Come on, pan leverage nation. If you have something, feel me have something, dog.
X-head.
Huh?
Real man,
Mike,
real.
X-head. I'm out. So yeah.
I'm so far right there. Right now, I'm not tired right now, leverage nation. Done.
Real man.
Yeah, look at my catch.
Get our ground.
Keep him.
We name X3 on the head.
What name?
X3 on the head. That full mark. X3 on the head.
Oh, you know that?
Man tell me come get on ground.
Oh, you get on around there?
Yeah, I get it every time. I just
So, oh, you know if you do. When you go. Alright, you want me to come around?
I come like bus off, man.
You want me to come around the side and come back around the side?
Me not come around. So, but I get a long time catch him. But just back there around there.
Oh. So you go around the side and catch.
You got Grover, man. Measure him.
Measure him and see. How much?
Yeah, he keeps.
X3 on the head.
What's that?
X3 on the head.
X3 in the head? Yeah. You got a neck mark. Oh, that little star looking thing. Gotta be careful not to turn that too much. That's dragging that in. Get a lot of line up there. Oh yeah, you have fish on. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Finally. Goodness gracious.
He's swimming into you.
Yeah, that was fighting like crazy.
Clear up. Tip up. There we go.
Oh, it's stuck on your
It's
back.
all good.
Oh, little girl.
Little drop.
Really?
Yeah. Oh dear. What you say?
So, I put the fish in a catch up, man.
How much I catch?
Catch one.
Well, two, but you don't know how to kill a fish I catch. Where you can catch them?
I'm going to catch one.
No man, the first one.
First one.
I feel a man, man, we show them say yo. That's all. The tail part. Yeah. Oh, you're out here, leverage nation. Yeah, man. Yeah, leverage nation. I don't know what they enjoy the days today. See me? Yeah, man. And catching also me I just see one flying fish a while ago, a suicide bird, and then I tell me say yo I'd fish with a fly right above the water. Suicide bird, oh yeah. I don't know nothing about fishing. Yeah, you won't ever to stop again. And I go around my father and see the location on you, see me? So I'm there. There, sir.
That way the sun was out of your line.
That's a lucky hook right now, yo.
Barracuda. About to wrap up soon.
Jump right up my hand. Oh no! He jumped into shooting like
Yeah, about to wrap up soon. Remember if you like, comment, share and subscribe if you don't like you have one. And also we are down there upon the boat. Star. Right. Yeah. See city over there, so. You know the leverage man, we're out in the waters, you know? Out in the waters. Yeah. Still a fish.
big ball of big terror.
Yeah man, everybody running saw a fish and thing. They must fish on the right side of the boat. I guess them now on two sides to tangle up. But yeah man, it was a great adventure man, you know. We're just there. Go and enjoy, open and enjoy the moment. You know, so something different. First time we have vlog on the boat. Yeah man, check in man. How we are doing right now? Eh?
Eh?
How we are doing?
Yeah, you do the line.
We're not
Tie
it up.
up.
Alright, that's gonna do it this afternoon. Go ahead and reel them up.
Yeah. Wrap them about to wrap up here now. How was the adventure so far?
A good adventure, but not excellent fishing. Yeah, you get what I saying?
How much I catch?
One.
One. I catch two, sir.
Well, two I catch, but one I keep for them.
Yeah, the first one was some pies one, but it was a good adventure, something different to forward out pan. Yeah man, but stay tuned. Like up the thing man, like up the video. You see we are the big things. Come up on board for Leverage Nation. You know, when you believe that, we come up on board.
Yeah.
So them know say with anything when it come to the vlog, show them say we take it serious. They say we take it serious. Yeah. So not say so man, just do you like writing? Like up the video, share the video, subscribe to the video.
To the video or to the channel?
We are going to check in again. Basically spend like 4 hours. That's all? Alright, 4 hours.
I think a little bit less because today is Sunday, so we are going early.
So, we just stay here, man. Go back in, you know? Yeah. That time, man, so. Fish everybody catch.
Bigger one them like the bigger one them underneath in the ice like.
This is the heaviest fish in here.
Where's the leverage? Good. Oh, yeah, what happened? Yeah, man, so you don't know, sir. We are reaching the final part. The captain there over there, so. Oh dear. So always remember, that is it. We are going right now. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's a leverage. You see it? Damn? Yeah. Basic.
Yeah, like, share and subscribe, you see me? Yeah, like, share and subscribe. I put in the work.
Same I put in the work, so give my like. Yeah. Alright, so watch your scenery now. Boy.
I haven't had to push this hard in a while. I know, I'm literally tired.
Go in, but no. See man, them are sitting up on stone over there, so that they want to go on. Oh, I'm reach over there, so.
You're putting too far in my walk.
Yeah? Oh, then can't come on. Are you stuck?
Hold on tight.
Huh?
See that make up? See that make up?
Go ahead.
Okay.
So you gotta do it.
I see them wait and them go throw it in my car. I can't do that.
There you go. Pictures, man. That's where we roll.
Big barracuda. Are they still with you?
Okay.
Yeah, much fish.
Corey, you want to start, Caden? Do you want to take that out of here? Caden. One of the head. One head. Bottom tail. Shaved head. Top tail. X2 on the head. X2 on the head. Okay, leave that over there for now.
Yeah, the leverage nation. So right now, I was gonna see them. Apparently, they give some people some number while they might catch the fish them, so they might line out everything, and I get who they catch for them fish, you know. So right now, them just dish out everything. So that is it for the vlog. Open and tune into next time. We have a crazy thing coming up in future videos. Crazy ideas to do for your vlog them, isn't it? Yes. Alright, so do the right thing.
This nation, after 4 hours of fishing, look at this guy's fish.
Them small, this will go out the road to catch, but guess what? It better we catch something than nothing, and that's a leverage. Leverage is not about what you catch, is what kind of fun you get, you see me? So let's catch them few here, and we catch what other one, that money catch, what other one we have to throw back, so we still good with the outcome, you see me? This is a leverage, man, so yeah, 2 of them.